so that Christ may dwell in your heart through faith. And I pray that you, being rooted and established in love. Ephesians chapter 3 verses 17. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovey Starch Food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. So exciting to have you on board on this Vlogmas series. I'm super excited. So today on the holiday menu, we are going to take the street style fried rice or check and make it even healthier. We want to enjoy this holiday season, but we want to also eat healthy without feeling too much guilt. All right, so this fried rice recipe is absolutely delicious, nearly free from the all artificial condiment. It is so much better than the street style. It definitely giving us the check vibes already. So please stick around and let me show you how to make this deliciousness. You will love it. So to begin with, the secret of all secret is make sure you go ahead and soak your sorghum leaf. This is what we use for wache normally, okay? But today we're going to make our fried rice with it and you will be stunned. Soak it for at least 30 minutes with hot water. Make sure it's very nice and clean, okay? And to that, I have about 3.5 cups of Jasmine long grain rice. To that, these are my few seasonings that I'll be using for this rice recipe. Yes, I have my chicken stock, all-purpose seasoning, and some salt. That is it. Imagine fried rice recipe with few seasoning like this. It's very much possible and very delicious. Here are a few vegetables that I love. I have 3 shades of onions. I have the yellow, red, and spring onions, and I also have some shredded cabbage. I also have some finely chopped green beans and some chopped red bell peppers and diced carrot. Absolutely gorgeous. I also have some oil and 4 eggs that I'll be using. All right, so to begin with, I'm going to add my chicken stock in my pot and add my washed Jasmine rice. Please use your favorite rice that you prefer. It will be fine. Okay, I'm going to stir everything together, making sure that each and every grain absorbs this delicious chicken stock. By the way, this chicken stock is from my previous video of how to fry your holiday chicken, okay, the Ghana style. So the video will be linked here and below, so please check it out. This is what is going to give that rich, authentic check color. It is the soaked sorghum leaves, the water that we got from it. It is absolutely golden. Make sure you strain away all the excess sorghum leaves and look at that beautiful color. The combination of the chicken stock and the sorghum leaves make it so beautiful. Please, fam, get rid of the artificial condiment for your health, your kidney, your liver, and everything's sake. Please. Absolutely beautiful and just so tasty. Just have a look at that perfect color. Yes, that's how your check rice should look like, and we did not use any artificial condiment. So go ahead and cook your rice for about 25 minutes until it is nicely cooked. Each and every grain of it is beautifully cooked. Just look at that, fluffy and everything nice. It is absolutely gorgeous. After 25 minutes of cooking the rice, it is absolutely gorgeous and it's nicely done. I'm going to set it aside, allow it to cool down before I'll go ahead with my fried rice recipe. Just have a look at that. The most amazing part was the kanzo for me. It was so delicious. I absolutely enjoyed this. It was crunchy and so nice. We enjoyed it so much. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead with our frying process. Now we'll begin with our eggs. I added 3 eggs and seasoning with my all-purpose seasoning. I'll just go ahead and scramble it nicely as you see me do. It would take about just 3 minutes. You don't want your eggs to be extra dry as well, so do it just as you see me do, and you're going to get the most fluffiest egg for your fried rice recipe. In me is screaming at this point. I love eggs so much, especially when it's nicely scrambled like this. If you're like me, you have to be careful not to enjoy everything. Okay, so in the same frying pot, I'm going to add my onions. I'm using 2 shades of onions here, the yellow and the red one, and I'll go in with my vegetable, all of them at once. Use any vegetables that you prefer. I love these so much. And I'll then add my all-purpose or vegetable seasoning. Make sure I stir everything together. I'm going to fry everything for about 3 minutes. We want our vegetables to be nice and crunchy, okay? You don't want to over fry it to be extra soft. It is not enjoyable, okay? Especially the cabbage. So fry it for just 2 minutes and you should be done. The colors are popping. When I had to also season with a bit of salt, and that is it for the seasoning, family. It is so easy. Hey, Titina, kasoy sauce, dark one honey sauce. I'll be killing myself slowly. But this recipe here is just the best of them all. I'll go in with my rice and I'll just go ahead and mix everything together, and we should be done after frying everything for about 3 minutes. Is it just not beautiful? I'm now going in with my last ingredient, which is the scrambled eggs, and we should be done. As simple as that, our holiday fried rice is ready. So make sure you stir everything to combine. It's very important. Just allow it to simmer for about 2 minutes and your lovely, amazing fried rice recipe should be done. Not forgetting about our spring onions. It's the very last ingredient to go in. If you do not like it, omit it, you go to go. Okay, I went in with a few of them and it was very nice. I love the crunch that it brings to my fried rice. It just crowns everything very well. You have it, family. If you've been feeling guilty of making your fried rice the unhealthy way, there you have it. It is absolutely gorgeous making it this way. You're going to enjoy it and enjoy it every time you make it. It is absolutely gorgeous. I am so thankful that you watch right to the end. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, and it's very important. It is so important that you share this recipe all around your social media platform. Help me create that awareness that our check can be made amazingly this way, and it's even more enjoyable. Okay, please do that. Share it to your loved ones, the people you love. Please share this recipe. You're going to bless them so much. So now let me be your check seller for the day. Okay, oh my goodness, I'm giving it to you the street style. Okay, just enjoy. Imagine me being your fried rice seller. I'll give you plenty rice, lots of salad to enjoy, and also one big fried chicken to go with it. It's absolutely incredibly delicious. A little bit of homemade mayonnaise. I've shared the recipe on this channel. I'm going to link it here and below. Listen, we cannot get everything healthy, but as long as we make it at home, we have absolutely control over it. Okay, look at that beautiful and juicy fried chicken. It was absolutely delicious. A little touch of shito, and oh boy, look at that. How much will you buy this? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, it is absolutely nostalgic, very delicious, and we did enjoy this so much. Thanks so much for watching, family. I really appreciate your time. Please do not forget again to give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey Starch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.